heart, the adult human heart. The human heart consists of 4 chambers, that is right atrium, right ventricle, and left atrium and left ventricle. Now there are also two valves. From right to right ventricle there is tricuspid valve, and from left to left ventricle there is bicuspid valve. There are two major veins in the heart, that is the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava, which collects the deoxygenated blood to the right atrium. The superior vena cava collects deoxygenated blood from the upper part of the body, that is the brain and the other parts, and the inferior vena cava collects the deoxygenated blood from the lower parts of the body, that is the main organ is kidney. From right atrium, the blood which is collected from superior and inferior vena cava, the deoxygenated blood, goes into the right ventricle through tricuspid valve, and from here it is passed through the pulmonary artery into the lungs for oxygenation. In the lungs, the process of respiration takes place and the deoxygenated blood gets converted into the oxygenated blood, and it is passed through the left pulmonary veins into the left atrium. From the left atrium it goes into the left ventricle through the bicuspid valve. After, the left ventricle has the thickest muscles over here, as it has to pump the blood to the all parts of the body through aorta. From the aorta the blood passes into the other parts of the body, the oxygenated blood, which comes from the lungs to the left atrium into the left ventricle. For more easier understanding, let us consider this big boss as a heart. And these are the 4 chambers of the heart, that is right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. This is superior vena cava, this is inferior vena cava, this is pulmonary veins, this is tricuspid valve, this is bicuspid valve, and this is pulmonary artery, and this is aorta, and this is the lungs, 2 lungs. Right, the deoxygenated fluid from the upper side of the body comes through the superior vena cava, and the lower side of the body comes from the inferior vena cava, that is inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. From here it goes into the right atrium, the deoxygenated blood. From right atrium through tricuspid valve it goes into the right ventricle, and from right ventricle it goes into the pulmonary artery to the lungs for oxygenation. And after oxygenation, the oxygenated blood comes to the left atrium through the pulmonary veins. From the left atrium, the oxygenated blood goes into the left ventricle through the bicuspid valve. Okay. Now let us consider. Now from the left ventricle, the oxygenated blood goes into the aorta to the all parts of the body.